While on the way to Arunachal, one of the most beautiful places to visit is the Sela Pass. Situated at an altitude of above 13,700 feet, this gigantic Himalayan mountain pass is also known as the gateway to Tawang. The road surface at Sela Pass is really good as compared to the other Himalayan mountain passes in the Ladakh and Spiti region. There is a lot of military movement up and down the Sela Pass right up to Tawang, and maybe that is the reason for the good roads in the Sela region. So here is how you can reach Sela Pass and further on to Tawang. If you are traveling to Tawang, it is recommended that you take a halt at the beautiful small town of Bomdila or Dirang. From Bomdila, Sela Top is a 3 to 3.5 hours journey, and further from Sela Top to Tawang will take you another 2 to 2.5 hours. The entire stretch of road from Bomdila to Tawang is a twisty two-way Himalayan mountain pass. So please drive carefully. After Baisakhi, the road winds up the mountain. The altitude increases, and now you feel as if you are literally driving amongst the clouds. There are some absolutely beautiful vistas awaiting you at each turn and corner. After climbing a lot of altitude and after doing a number of turns and hairpin bends, we are now finally approaching the top of the Sela Pass. The mountain to the right of the screen is approximately where we are headed to. Some interesting signboards on the way which say Sela ke par Cheen Bhutan ki or. We were just thrilled by that. As we started getting near to the top, I felt a sense of satisfaction and a sense of achievement and pride to have finally conquered another Himalayan giant. The air out here in this part of the pass is thin, the weather is cool, and you will be just mesmerized by the number of cloud patterns that you see along the way. And there it is, folks. Finally, we have arrived at the top of the 13,700 feet Sela Pass. We were lucky to have experienced Sela Pass on a clear day with bright sunshine and stunning blue skies. Well, didn't I say earlier that the Sela Pass was a gateway to Tawang? There it is. Once you are at the top of the Sela Pass, you need to make an entry at the military checkpost out there and get your permits validated. There is heavy snowfall in Sela in the month of December, and the road might get blocked due to the snow. At this time you might require snow chains. So if you are traveling to Sela in December, please have this information ready beforehand. Next we climb up to the small praying spot cum viewing gallery at the side of the road. You will be left stunned by the incredible views that you get from the top. including the first glimpse of the huge Sela Lake. Well, this is the reason that I said that the Sela Lake is huge. Here you can see it in its entirety. Well folks, that's all about the mighty Sela Pass. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share ahead. Thank you for watching.